I love to do something special, so I decided to make sushi and I will show it to you how easy it is. So I got here mayonnaise, rice vinegar, okomesan for sushi or rice, avocado, mango, cream cheese, cucumber, roasted eel, and crab stick, and of course a sushi ruler and a cling film. So let's start. First, let's cook the rice, and it should be not wet, not dry. It's just medium, and let it cool down. And while we are waiting for the rice, we have to prepare and slice the mango and cucumber and crab sticks and the roasted eel as well. Now our rice is ready, so we have to mix vinegar and add some sugar, and then try to dissolve the sugar on the vinegar. And when it dissolves, you have to add it into the rice and mix it well. So before we start, we have to cover our sushi ruler cling film, so the rice it won't be stick on it and it will be more easier to fold. So now we can start. First, we have to add some rice and spread it into the nori, and it should be even. We'll spread some cream cheese and mayonnaise, and then you can add the cucumber, mango, crab stick or the eel, and then you can roll it. And now you can prepare the wasabi. To mix the wasabi, you only have to add a little bit of water and mix it to dissolve. For us, this much is enough. Our sauce is ready, and of course our pickled ginger, my favorite. And yeah, it's num num time. My husband loves sushi. He only learned to eat it when we met, so now he loves to eat it. So I decided to prepare it for a dinner, a sweet dinner for us, because now we cannot go outside. Restaurants are open here but only for delivery, so I decided to make it myself.